Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here to share with you this beautiful home sweet home wall decor that I create. This is a wood pallet plank I bought at Walmart. So this is how it looks, and it's around $3. So you can buy as many as you want, and you can create as many signs as you want. So I use a cardstock, and this cardstock is a black and white stripe. So the glue that I use it to glue the cardstock is the tacky glue. It's this one right here. Then after that, I apply 1 coat of polyacrylic wax. So then I let it dry for 2 hours. And then after 2 hours, I apply another coat of polyacrylic wax, and then I let it dry for 24 hours. And then I apply the embellishments. So these letters is foam letters, and I bought from Walmart. The flowers, I made the flowers. I have a video showing how I made these flowers. If you are interested in watching, the link will be down below. The leaf branch, I have a paper punch for that. And this is all very simple and easy to make, and you can create a lots of signs like Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Winter, and you won't cost a lot. If you do already have the cardstock, you can be a design cardstock, or you can be a solid color cardstock. You decide what you want to create on your wood sign, and you just have fun creating. The flowers you can just buy from the store. So for all of you guys that don't have a lot of time to create beautiful things, you can just buy stuff that is already made, and you just add simple things, and look at how it is. It turned into a beautiful thing. This is my first wood sign decor that I create, and I'm in love with it. And this one over here, I don't know what I want to do with this. I was thinking to do a Feliz Natal wall decor, and I don't know if I want to do that, or if I want to do a Happy Holidays or Happy Winter. I'm still figuring out what I want to do with this one. But yeah, you can create beautiful things. And this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a like. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!